Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this happy holi poster in my tablet. I'm using Samsung S7 tablet and the app is IBIS Paint X. You can find this free drawing app in Play Store. First, I have opened a 1:1 ratio canvas and set my background color as dark blue in my first layer. Then I'm opening a new layer and keeping this layer's blending mode as add. Usually add blending mode is used to create glow effects. Here I'm using it to make my colors a little bit pop up because I'm using bright colors here. Now I'm using bleed watercolor brush to make this colorful smoke like look with the bright colors red, blue, yellow, orange like that to represent the colors of holi. Holi is full of bright colors, that's why. Then I'm adding a new layer. I'm keeping this layer in screen blending mode and adding a little bit light effects, like somewhere in the distance some lights are glowing here and there like that. I'm reducing this layer's opacity because I want it to be a little bit faded one. So in a random style, that's why I'm reducing its opacity. Then adding a new layer and keeping these layers blending more in a screen as well again, and adding some color splatters in it. Now in a new layer I'm going to draw a pitchkari. I'm using ballpoint pen brush and the rectangle tool to draw this pitchkari. Then adding a new layer, making it as a clipping layer, I'm going to draw the details, line details for the pitchkari. I'm using aqua blue color and the line tool to draw this. Then in a new layer, I'm drawing pitchkari's top with the yellow color. After creating pitchkari, I am going to add shadow effect to it. So in a new clipping layer, I am using airbrush to add that glow effect. I am keeping this clipping layer as a add blending mode because to make it a little bit glow, make this pitchkari glow. So I am using as add blending mode. Now the pitchkari is ready. In a new layer I am drawing blue color water drops like it comes out of the pitchkari. Some big drops and some small drops. Once I am done, to make it like 3D, I am going to add light shadow to it in a new clipping layer using airbrush which I used before. First spraying more at the middle and then slightly at the corners to make it 3D. Now the pitchkari is ready with colorful colors. I am going to merge all these layers related to the pitchkari in a single layer. First merging clipping layers with its main layer, then merging all the layers related to it in a single layer. Why I am merging it is because I don't have the option to group all these layers separately. It is available in Procreate, but in IBIS Paint X I don't have that option to group. So I don't have any other option. I have to merge it because I'm going to duplicate it. That's why. So once I'm done with merging, now I'm duplicating this pitchkari layer and then using transform tool to change its position. I'm keeping it at the top like upside down, then reducing its size a little bit. Finally, the background is ready. Only the wordings are left. So in a new layer at the top of all the layers, I am adding the text happy and holy, each word in a separate layer. I want word happy to be in italic and smaller compared to the holy. So I'm using separate layer for each separate layer for happy and holy. For the word holy, I want it bigger, and the maximum font size available for this is not enough for me. In a text, it's not enough for me. So once I'm done with the text holy, I'm going to use transform tool and make it larger. That's why I use separate layer for this. If I put happy and holy two words in a same layer, when I use transform tool, both the layers both the words will become large or small when I make it big like that. So I want it in a separate layer and making it as large. Then just to add some extra details, some extra spice to it, I'm adding glowing threads like lines in the top. I'm using add blending mode for this layer and using airbrush at the top of the lines exactly to add some more glows. Okay, now finally the colorful happy holy poster is ready. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you.